Hello dosto, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Direction360. In this video lecture, we are starting word association sentences starting from alphabet P. The first word is practice. Its meaning in Urdu language is पेशकश करना. Oh, sorry. Its meaning in Urdu language is मश्क करना. The sentence of word practice is practice makes man perfect. And the sentence of word practice is practice increases efficiency. The next word is pressure. Its meaning in Urdu language is dabaw. The sentence of word pressure is keep mind relaxed from pressure. The next word is pain. Its meaning in Urdu language is dard. The sentence of word pain is success requires success demands pain. The next word is prosperity. Its meaning in Urdu language is baqa. The sentence of word prosperity is work for prosperity of the country. The next word is pray. Its meaning in Urdu language is dua karna. The sentence of word pray is pray for dignity. Pray for safety. Pray for bright future. The next word is pretended. Pretend. Its meaning in Urdu language is zahir karna. The sentence of word pretended is India pretended to be peaceful country. India pretended to be a peaceful country. The next word is pen. Its meaning in Urdu language is kalam. The sentence of word pen is pen has power. The next word is problem. Its meaning in Urdu language is mas'ala. The sentence of word problem is problem face with courage. Face the problem with courage. The next word is protect. Its meaning in Urdu language is हिफाजत करना. The sentence of word protect is protect country from enemy. Protect country for enemy. The next sentence of word protect is protect yourself from evil acts. Protect yourself from evil acts. Or the third sentence of word protect is protect the boundaries of religion. The next word is player. Its meaning in Urdu language is खुशी. The sentence of word player is success gives pleasure. Success gives pleasure. The next word is punish. Its meaning in Urdu language is saza. The sentence of word punish is punish the criminal या punish the rule breaker. The next word is peace. Its meaning in Urdu language is aman. The sentence of word peace is Allah bestowed us peace. The next meaningful sentence of word peace is Islam give lesson of peace. Other sentence of word peace is Islam is a religion of peace. The next word is proud. Its meaning in Urdu language is फखर महसूस करना या फखर. The sentence of word proud is proud to be Muslim or Pakistani. The next word is practice. The next word is patience. Its meaning in Urdu language is sabr. The sentence of word patience is power. Patience is power. Yeah, patience make man strong. The next word is prayer. Its meaning in Urdu language is namaz. The sentence of word like prayer is prayer teaches us discipline. Prayer teaches us discipline. The next word is punctuality. Its meaning in Urdu language is बाकायदगी या वक्त की पाबंदी करना. पाबंदी. The sentence of word punctuality is punctuality leads to success. The next word is part. Its meaning in Urdu language is hissa. The sentence of word part is joy and sorrows are part of life. Joys and sorrows are part of life. The next word is principle. Its meaning in Urdu language is usool. The sentence of word principle is be a man of principles. The next word is protest. Its meaning in Urdu language is ehtijaj. The sentence of word protest is always protest for right cause. The next meaningful sentence of word protest is right of citizen. The next word is prejudice. Its meaning in Urdu language is ta'assub. The sentence of word prejudice is prejudgment. Prejudice is prejudgment. The next word is planning. Its meaning in Urdu language is mansuba bandi. The sentence of word planning is proper planning saves time. Proper planning saves time. The next word is pity. Its meaning in Urdu language is hamdardi. The sentence of word pity is pity increase love. Pity increase love. The next word is pick. Its meaning in Urdu language is चुनना या उठाना. या उठाना. The sentence of word pick is pick good attributes. The next word is puzzle. Its meaning in Urdu language is uljhan. The sentence of word puzzle is clear concepts, avoids puzzle. The next word is persist. Its meaning in Urdu language is कायम रहना. The sentence of word persist is persist on या leader persist on his plan. The next word is pursued. Its meaning in Urdu language is मुंतकिल करना या रागिब करना. रागिब करना या मुंतकिल करना. Pursued for good deeds. The next word is provide. Its meaning in Urdu language is मुहैया करना. Interview provides information. या newspaper provides information. The next word is prevision. Its meaning in Urdu language is basirat. The sentence of word prevision is everything is in prevision of Allah. ऐसे भी रंग के